Today brought another major step in Jackie's fight for survival. After days of uncertainty, the veterinary team at Ojai Raptor Center has taken some of the most advanced medical steps yet to find the answer everyone has been waiting for. And while today's update doesn't reveal the final diagnosis, it does show that the team is leaving absolutely no stone unturned. Here's everything we know. For those who have been following Jackie's journey, you know this has been an emotional roller coaster. Every single update has reminded us just how complex her condition is. Today, however, marked one of the most significant milestones since she arrived at Ojai Raptor Center. According to the latest update, patient 26-519 underwent additional advanced diagnostic procedures, including a contrast CT scan and a bone marrow biopsy. These are highly specialized tests that can provide doctors with much deeper information when routine testing isn't enough to explain what's happening. The encouraging news is that Jackie recovered well from anesthesia after today's procedures. She has now returned safely to her recovery enclosure, where she continues receiving supplemental oxygen while her body rests and heals. That alone is an important step. Anyone who has been worried about how she would handle these procedures can take some comfort in knowing she came through them safely. But the journey is far from over. Right now, the veterinary team isn't working alone. They are reviewing today's findings together with their scientific advisory council and consulting wildlife specialists. Every image from the CT scan, every sample from the bone marrow biopsy, and every previous blood test and diagnostic result is being carefully examined side by side. The goal is simple: to finally understand what has been making Jackie so critically ill. At this moment, additional laboratory results are still pending. That means the doctors are not ready to announce any conclusions just yet. Instead of rushing to provide incomplete answers, they're taking the time needed to review every piece of evidence carefully before making any decisions about the next stage of her treatment. That level of patience and precision is exactly what a case this complicated requires. For many of us watching from around the world, it's difficult to wait. We all want immediate answers. We all want to hear that Jackie is completely out of danger. But wildlife medicine doesn't always work that way. Sometimes the most important progress happens quietly, inside a laboratory, during careful consultations, and through hours of detailed analysis that the public never sees. Today's update reminds us that Jackie's case remains a priority. An entire team of veterinarians, technicians, rehabilitation staff, scientific advisors, and consulting specialists continues working together to give her every possible chance. Their dedication over these past weeks has been nothing short of extraordinary. And while today's announcement doesn't provide the final diagnosis, it tells us something equally important. Jackie is still fighting. The medical team is still fighting for her. And the search for answers continues. Ojai Raptor Center has promised to release a much more comprehensive update once all of today's findings and the remaining laboratory results have been fully reviewed. Until then, all we can do is continue hoping, continue supporting the incredible veterinary team, and continue sending our encouragement for Jackie during this difficult chapter of her recovery. We'll continue bringing you every official update as soon as new information becomes available. And like so many people around the world, we'll be hoping that the next update brings the breakthrough everyone has been praying for. Thank you for watching, and let's continue keeping Jackie in our thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe for latest updates.